sharing again cooking vlog about Italian food. This is the Merluzzo Mantecato al latte. In English, it is a cod fish with milk and potatoes. And here are the procedures on how to cook. First, you have to put an olive oil, sliced onions, and 1 piece of garlic clove. Put the sliced thin potatoes. Wait to cook the potatoes until you put the codfish or the Merluzzo. Cover first, cook for a while. This is a fresh sliced Merluzzo or the cod fish. Pour the 200 ml of full cream milk. Then let it boil for a while. Then it's the time to sprinkle some pieces of parsley, pepper, and the salt to taste. Delicious. Then cover it, let it boil. Later, you have to pour. The last is the Parmesan cheese to make it more delicious and yummy. And this is now the cooked codfish with milk and potatoes. In Italian, Merluzzo Mantecato al latte and patate. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this one and try to cook this at home. It's good for especially this Holy Week season.